What's going on, guys? Firewolf Tech here, showing you guys how to install a tempered glass screen protector on your iPhone 15 Pro. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how to install one. Now, the screen protector that I'm using in this video is going to be the ZAGG Glass XTR3. And this screen protector is one of my personal favorites. It's one of the best screen protectors that you can buy. It's also very expensive, so I will link other cheaper alternatives. And this installation process should be very similar to other screen protectors you might purchase from other brands. So whenever you purchase a screen protector, hopefully you get all the included accessories. So you should be getting a microfiber cloth, some type of alcohol prep pad, a dust removal sticker, and then hopefully you get one that has an installation frame, which makes the alignment so much easier. And you might see one that has multiple screen protectors. Some might come with a 2-pack, 3-pack, or even 5. Now, this screen protector costs a lot more, but really what makes the screen protector really good is the materials behind this screen protector. It's very thick and provides one of the best protections you can have on your 15 Pro. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to power off your 15 Pro. That way you can see clearly on the front of the screen. I like to position the phone horizontally. For me, it's a lot easier to align the screen protector. Once your phone is off, you're going to take the alcohol prep pad or any of the wet pads, and you're going to apply it on top of the screen. And this is going to wipe off any fingerprints, any residues, lint, or anything like that off your screen. Next, you're going to take your microfiber cloth and you're going to pass it on the front of the screen, wiping off the alcohol residue. So you want to make sure there's no lint on top of the screen. And if you see a little piece of lint, you want to take the dust removal sticker here, and then you want to basically take any lint off your phone. And this is a step that you want to take the most time in, because if there's any lint trapped underneath, then you're either going to have to live with it, or you can also take it out, which I'll also show you as well. I would definitely recommend saving this just in case you have to take off a lint that got trapped underneath. Now, since this comes with an installation tray, you want to locate the top indicator. So over here, you're going to see an arrow pointing above, which indicates the top of the phone. So you're going to take your 15 Pro, you're going to basically put it on top of the tray, and it should fit nice and snug just like this. Now, this installation tray also has punch holes over here, which basically matches up to the punch holes on this screen protector over here. So before we apply it, we want to make sure we take off step number 1 to reveal the adhesive side. So I like to turn the screen protector upside down and take off the adhesive side. That way I don't risk any lint kind of floating in the air and getting stuck on the screen. And then the last step here is to basically align it on the installation tray here. So what I'm going to do is, since this has holes, I'm going to line it up from here on the bottom hole, and then I want to line it up on the top. And once you place it, the screen protector should automatically start to adhere. And then you want to take the microfiber cloth and you want to assist the adhesion of the screen protector. So what I like to do is start from the middle and go either left or right, applying a lot of pressure just so you can even out the bubbles. Because depending on the screen protector, you may have some bubbles, which could take some time to take off. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Right, and right after that, we're gonna take off the top plastic portion over here, which will reveal the actual screen protector. Take off the installation frame, and then you can go ahead and inspect your phone. Now, looking at over here, you do see some micro bubbles here, maybe a little piece of lint that got trapped underneath. So if you ever see any type of lint trapped underneath, then you want to basically take your dust removal sticker. Sometimes you might get multiple ones, or you can just reuse the same one. You want to take any of the corners that's closest to the lint. So right here, we're working on this lint right over here. So I'm just going to lift it up gently with my finger now. And then I'm going to put the dust removal sticker underneath. And basically have the lint trap on the sticker itself, and then I want to just pull it out. And then you'll notice the lint is pretty much gone. Sometimes you might see some micro bubbles over here, so you can take your fingernail with the microfiber cloth, you can just apply pressure and you see it automatically gone. Now again, this all depends on the type of screen protector you have. I just love the material of the ZAGG Glass XTR3. This is one of the best screen protectors in the market right now. And what I like about this screen protector is definitely on the thick side, so you definitely feel the heft of the screen protector. Let's go ahead and power this on. All right, now that we have the phone here, let's go ahead and test off the sensitivity. So this glass feels very smooth, very buttery. You can see the pinch zoom feels really nice. And for me personally, the screen protector materials for me feel so much better than the actual screen of the iPhone. And this is because most screen protectors have a really nice oleophobic coating to keep oils off the screen for a very long time. So you're gonna experience some really nice finger sensitivity over here. It's just gonna glide nice and smooth, which I like a lot. Now, again, this is the Glass XTR3, which I'll link down below. I'll also link other screen protectors that I recommend that I personally use, but I've applied so many screen protectors in the past, and time again, I've always preferred the Glass XTR3. Now, it is on the expensive side, but this does give you a limited lifetime warranty. So anytime this screen protector gets cracked or damaged, you can have it replaced through ZAGG on their online website, or you can go to a ZAGG kiosk if there's any available in your area, and they'll be able to replace your screen for a very small fee. So if you guys are looking for the best screen protector, then I highly recommend the Glass XTR3. Otherwise, any screen protector would work perfectly fine. It's just that me personally, I just love the XTR3 and how it feels, how smooth it feels. And for me, it's always lasted the longest over any other screen protector. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys.